Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to introduce you to an incredible tool that will enhance your Excel experience. It's called Kutools for Excel. With a wide range of powerful add-ins, Kutools provides various utilities to make your Excel tasks easier and more efficient. Let's say you have multiple selections from different worksheets that you want to print. You could print them one by one, but with Kutools for Excel's Print Multiple Selection Wizard, you can easily print multiple ranges from many worksheets onto a single page without page breaks. Before we begin, make sure you have Kutools for Excel installed on your computer. It's a simple process that will greatly enhance your Excel capabilities. Sometimes, you may not want to print the entire worksheet but only specific areas. Let me show you how it's done. First, click on the Enterprise menu. Then, hover over Printing and select Print Multiple Selection Wizard. Now, let's move on to Step 2. In the Print Multiple Selection Wizard dialog, click the Add button to add the ranges you want to print. Remember, if you need to print multiple ranges from the same worksheet, you can add them to the Range to Print list at the same time. Simply hold down the Control key and select the desired ranges. And here's an important note. If you realize you made a mistake or want to remove a selection, you can simply click the Remove button to delete it from the Ranges to Print list. Great! We're almost there. Step 3 is to click the Finish button. By doing so, all your selections will be copied and pasted as linked pictures into a new worksheet. Finally, click on the File or Office button and select Print to print these selections on one page. As you can see, the Print Multiple Selections Wizard is a powerful tool that allows Excel users to easily print multiple selections or print areas from the same worksheet onto one page. Additionally, you can print multiple selections from different sheets on a single page as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you found the information valuable and that Kutools for Excel will help streamline your Excel tasks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates.